In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Exness. If you want to turn off your current two-factor authentication method, the process on Exness is handled by switching your security type rather than simply pressing a single disable button. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can make the change smoothly. To begin, open your browser and go to your Exness personal area. This is the main account dashboard where you manage your trading account, profile settings, and security preferences. Once you've signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account page before continuing. From your personal area, look for the security section. This is where Exness keeps all of the settings related to account protection, login verification, and identity-related options. Click on security to open those settings. After that, go to the area labeled two-step verification. This section controls how Exness verifies your identity when you log in or make sensitive account changes. If you currently have a stronger authentication method enabled, such as an authenticator app or another verification option, this is the place where you'll update it. Inside the two-step verification section, click on Change. This tells Exness that you want to modify the way your account security is currently set up. Depending on your account status, you may be asked to confirm your identity before proceeding. Just follow the prompts shown on your screen carefully. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to change your security type to email. This is the key part of the process. On Exness, switching the security type to email effectively replaces your existing two-factor authentication method with email-based verification. As you complete this step, make sure you read each prompt closely and enter any required verification code sent to your email inbox. If you don't see the message right away, check your spam or junk folder and wait a minute or two for delivery. It's also a good idea to make sure you still have access to the email address connected to your Exness account before starting this process, since you may need it to confirm the change. Once the security type has been updated to email, your previous two-factor authentication method will no longer be active. That's all you need to do. And that's how to disable two-factor authentication on Exness by changing your security type. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along carefully anytime you update account security settings, since even a small mistake can temporarily lock you out of your account.